Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're excited to share simple, creative ideas to make your home cozy and inviting. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest projects, and share this video with friends who love decorating. Let's create beautiful spaces together. And organic gardening practices to complement your seasonal garden decor. Today, we're focusing on creating a cozy home atmosphere with simple, affordable decor ideas. These easy tips will help transform your space into a warm, inviting retreat, perfect for relaxing evenings or chilly days. Let's dive into this fun project. Start by selecting soft, neutral-colored textiles like throws, blankets, and pillows. These materials instantly add warmth and comfort to any room. Drape a cozy blanket over your sofa or bed, and arrange plush pillows for a welcoming look. Comfort begins with soft textures and inviting layers. Lighting plays a key role in creating coziness. Use fairy lights or warm-toned lamps to produce a gentle, ambient glow. String fairy lights around windows, shelves, or along the ceiling. This simple addition makes your space feel magical and relaxing, perfect for unwinding after a long day. A few scented candles on side tables or shelves. Choose calming scents like lavender, vanilla, or chamomile to promote relaxation. Light the candles during evenings or quiet mornings. Their flickering flame combined with pleasant aroma instantly enhances your home's cozy atmosphere. Incorporate natural elements like indoor plants or faux greenery. Small potted plants or succulents bring freshness and life to your space. If natural light is limited, faux plants work beautifully. Greenery adds a touch of nature, making your home feel more vibrant and peaceful. Decorate with personal touches such as family photos, artwork, or handmade crafts. Display these on your walls or shelves to create a warm, personalized environment. These meaningful details make your home uniquely yours and add to the cozy, lived-in feel that everyone loves. Arrange your furniture to promote comfort and easy conversation. Create small, intimate seating areas with soft rugs or cushions. Avoid clutter and keep pathways clear. A well-organized, inviting space encourages relaxation and makes your home a perfect sanctuary for cozy evenings. Thank you for joining Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. These simple steps can transform any space into a cozy haven. Remember, small changes have a big impact. Subscribe for more inspiring ideas, and share your cozy decor tips in the comments. Stay warm and stylish all season long.